Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with meteorologist Monica Guza.
Well, you've probably noticed it is a very warm evening out there tonight, and that is because our little mini heat wave is already moving on shore. So we're going to stay warm into the evening hours. We're not going to get very cold overnight. And in fact, looking at the satellite and radar, look at that. There's a whole lot of nothing going on. So we'll take a step back and let me show you the big picture. Here's what's going on, and you can actually see we've got a very nice looking low pressure system offshore, but notice it is shooting almost due north, and that's because we have a very strong ridge of high pressure centered right over the Pacific Northwest, and that is what is influencing us right now and causing those temperatures to go way up. Here are our high temperatures for today. I would not be surprised if these get bumped up another degree or two in the next hour, but we'll go with this for now. I'll update at 11. 85 in Portland, 86 in Corvallis. Actually, Eugene, we know that's wrong because it is now 85 degrees here in Eugene. 88 in Roseburg, 99 degrees in Medford. So yeah, I think they're going to see triple digits tomorrow. Well into the 80s in central and eastern Oregon. Out along the coast, North Bend made it to 70. That beautiful north wind, of course, creates those high temperatures in Brookings, 84 degrees. Here's our pollen tracker for today, and this actually is good news. We are in the high range for grass with a count of 30 and low for tree pollen at 2. And for us, 30 for grass pollen is beautiful. So I'm sure a lot of people are feeling much more comfortable out there. Here are our weather headlines. We are heating up, clear skies overnight with mild temperatures right around 55 to 60 degrees. So a good night to open those windows and let some of that cooler air in. One-day heat wave coming tomorrow with a heat advisory in effect for the Willamette Valley, the Coast Range, and the Cascade Range. We're going to cool back to normal Wednesday. So we're going to drop 10 degrees and get back into the 80s on Wednesday, the 4th of July. Looking very nice. And taking a look at the big picture, you can see the ridge in the jet stream here. Here is where high pressure is centered. That's going to begin to move off to the south and the east. This low pressure system is going to come through, and that is what is going to create those cooler temperatures as we go into Wednesday. Actually, more reasonable temperatures as we go into Wednesday. So tomorrow along the coast, temperatures ranging from around 70 degrees in the Bay Area all the way up to almost 80 in Florence, with a north wind for you. Into the Umpqua Basin, 90s, could even see 100 degrees tomorrow in some areas, but definitely mid to upper 90s, so sunny and heating up. Into the Cascades, and the passes will be in the 80s. In the foothills, we have that heat advisory in effect, so expect temperatures in the mid to upper 90s. Central Oregon, you have temperatures in the 90s. Come Wednesday, we expect some lightning, and there will be a fire weather watch in effect. For the Willamette Valley, temperatures in the 90s, the mid 90s, with a heat advisory in effect from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. tomorrow. So please be cautious, and remember, high temperatures can be harmful. So along the coast tomorrow, in fact, a great place to go because of the heat. It's going to be 70 degrees and sunny, a little breezy out there. We're going to go back to our seasonal weather at the coast with morning clouds and afternoon clearing, heading all the way into the weekend. A slight chance for a shower on Sunday. The 4th of July looks lovely for you. Into the Umpqua Basin, downright hot tomorrow, getting back to normal as we head into the rest of the week. For your 4th of July, looking very nice with temperatures in the 80s. In the Cascades, a chance for a thunderstorm on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, temperatures in the 70s. And into the Willamette Valley, heat advisory tomorrow, temperatures in the mid to upper 90s, dropping back down into the 80s on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Going into the holiday, 4th of July on Friday, 80 degrees and nice. So a beautiful weekend ahead, holiday weekend ahead. Our little heat wave, luckily only one day long. I think we can survive that, and then we're going to get back to normal.
I'm sweating already. It's going to be tough.
It is toasty.
Thank you, Monica.